In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write with AI in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know how to open Gmail from your Workspace account, let the built-in AI draft a reply for you, and insert that response into your message so you can send with confidence. First, sign into your Google Workspace account in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct work account, especially if you use multiple profiles. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page. Next to your profile photo, you'll see the Google Apps Launcher, the grid style icon. Click that to open your list of Workspace apps. From the Apps menu, choose Gmail. This takes you straight to your inbox. Find the email you want to respond to and click it to open the conversation. Give the message a quick read so you're clear on what you need to say back, whether that's confirming details, sharing timelines, or answering questions. Having a goal in mind helps the AI produce a better draft. Inside the open message, click Reply. If you need to include everyone on the thread, choose Reply All instead, but for most cases, Reply is perfect. This opens the reply box at the bottom of the conversation. In the reply toolbar, look for the pen icon. Click it to launch Google's AI writing helper powered by Gemini. You'll see a prompt field where you can tell the AI what you want. Be clear and specific. Mention the purpose, any key points to include, the tone you prefer, like professional, friendly, or concise, and any constraints such as length. For example, you might say, draft a polite, concise reply, thanking them for the update, confirming Friday at 2 p.m., and asking for the final file by Wednesday. Avoid pasting sensitive information. Summarize instead. When the AI generates a draft, skim it for accuracy and fit. If it's not quite right, refine your prompt and try again until the tone and content match what you need. When you're happy with the result, click Insert. The draft drops directly into your reply window, where you can make final edits. Before sending, personalize the greeting, double-check names, dates, and any commitments, and add attachments or links if needed. Keep your voice consistent with your usual style. When everything looks good, send the email as you normally would. That's it. Sign in, open Gmail from the Apps Launcher, choose your message, click Reply, use the pen icon to prompt the AI, and insert the draft. With a clear prompt and a quick review, you'll save time and still deliver a thoughtful, polished response.